Hi everyone, welcome to A Square Maths Academy. Today we are going to discuss about next part of binomial theorem. So this is most important topic. So let us start the class. Previous links also given in the description. Please watch it through the links. Okay. Now start the class. The number of terms in the expansion of square root of 5 plus 4th root 11 whole power of 124, which are integers is. So see here, first of all I will write here given expansion once again, square root of 5 plus 4th root 11 whole power of 124 we take here. So this is the given expansion here. Now we write a general term of this expansion, that is nothing but tr plus 1 is equals to, I will write here tr plus 1 equals to, we know the form, ncr x power of n minus r a power of r, x power of r x power of n minus r a power of r. This is the general term of x plus a whole power of n. So here x equals to what is there? This is x equals to square root of 5 and a equals to 4th root 11 and n equals to 124. So general term is nothing but tr plus 1 is equals to ncr x power of n minus r a power of r. This is the general term of x plus a whole power of n. X plus a whole power of n. Okay. So we write here tr plus 1 is equals to ncr. What is n? 124. cr, r as it is. X, what is x here? Square root of 5 is the x and n minus r, that is 124 minus r. 124 minus r into a, what is a? 4th root 11 whole power of r. Whole power of r we write here. Okay. So see here 124 cr as it is. Okay. So then after square root of 5 can written also 5 power of 1 by 2. Already 124 minus r is there. So we have to write now 5 power of 124 minus r divided by 2. Divided by 2 we write here. Okay. Next here 4th root of 11 can written also 11 power of 1 by 4. Also we write here. Already power also given here, that is nothing but r. So we have to write now 11 power of r by 4 we get here. R by 4. Okay. So simply 124 cr 5 power of, separating this one 124 by 2, that is nothing but 2 6 2 2 so 62 we get here, minus r by 2 we get here, into 11 power of r by 4 we get here, 11 power of r by 4. Okay. So see here r by 2 we got here and r by 4 we got here. Clear? Suppose r equals to 2 we get here. 2 ones are 2. So 60 we get here. But 2 by 4 we get here, that is 1 by 2. That is not integer. So we find out here integer values of this expansion. So then what we get here? We have to take here multiples of 4 is nothing but multiples of 2. అంటే మల్టిపుల్స్ ఆఫ్ 4 ఏవైతే తీసుకుంటామో అప్పుడు దీన్ని సాటిస్ఫై చేస్తుంది, ఈ రెండింటిని కూడా సాటిస్ఫై చేస్తుంది. కాబట్టి బోత్ ఆర్ సాటిస్ఫైయింగ్ మల్టిపుల్స్ ఆఫ్ 4. అంటే 4 యొక్క మల్టిపుల్స్ తీసుకుంటేనే సాటిస్ఫై చేస్తుంది. ఎందుకంటే 2, 4 ఉంది కాబట్టి రెండిట్లో ఎల్సిఎం తీసుకున్నట్టయితే మనకు వచ్చేది 4. కాబట్టి 4 యొక్క మల్టిపుల్స్ అంటే ఆటోమేటిక్గా ఇక్కడ సాటిస్ఫై చేస్తుంది, ఇక్కడ కూడా సాటిస్ఫై చేస్తుంది. క్లియర్? సో వీ హ్యావ్ టు రైట్ నౌ 4 multiples of 4 values taken as r values. Clear? So r equals to 0. 0 is nothing but satisfying that one. 4 1s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 4 3s are 12. Up to so on. 124 we take a last term. What is the last term? Here 124 is there. So in this case here 4 3s are 4 1s are. This is also multiple of 4. Clear? So here how many terms are exist here? See here 1 2 3 4 up to so on. This term how many term? How much this one? ది నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ టర్మ్ 124 అనేది ఎన్నో టర్మ్ అవుతుంది అంటే see here 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, clear, 4 4s are 16, like that here 4 3s are 4 1s are, so that means here 1 2 3 up to so on 31 terms are existed up to this one. Okay, so then after another one also there, that is nothing but 0, one more term is there, that is 0, so 31 plus 1, that is nothing but 32. So number of terms of the given expansion which are integers is nothing but 32 we get here. So therefore fourth option is the right answer. Okay, so remaining options also we have right now 125 terms are exist here. In this 125 terms integers are only 32. So remaining all are rational numbers, irrational numbers, like that. Only integers 32 numbers are 32 terms are existed. Okay, so remaining all irrational numbers, rational numbers also exist here. Okay, right. Next we find out here how to find out irrational numbers, how to find out rational numbers also we take here. Clear? Right, next one, the number of terms in the expansion of square root of 3 plus 8th root 5 whole power of 256 which are integers is. So here also integral form we find out here, integers we find out here. Clear? So options are given here 256, 257, and third one is 33, fourth one is 32. Okay, so again we have to take here given expansion. Square root of 3 plus 8th root 5 whole power of 256. Okay, so total number of terms of this given expansion is nothing but 257. 256 plus 1, that is nothing but 257 terms are existed. Okay, so see here, now here x equals to root 3, a equals to 8th root 5, and n equals to 256. So x plus a whole power of n form is there. Okay, so the general term of x plus a whole power of n is tr plus 1 is equals to ncr x power of n minus r a power of r. So this is the general term of given expansion. Okay, now we substitute here tr plus 1 is equals to ncr. What is n? 256 is n. C as it is, r also as it is, x root 3 whole power of 256 we get here minus r, and a 8th root 5 whole power of r. Okay, so 256 as it is, 256 cr as it is. Okay, the square root of 3 is there, that can written also 3 power of 1 by 2, already power is there, so we have right now 3 power of 256 minus r by 2 we get here. Clear? So here also we have right now 5 power of r by 8 we get here, r by 8. So this can written also 256 cr 3 power of, so separate this one, what we get here, 2 1s are 2 2s are 2 3s 2 8s are, so 2 power of 128 we get here. Okay, 2 1s are 2 2s are 4 and 2 8s are 16, so minus r by 2 we get here, r by 2, and 5 power of r by 8 as it is, r by 8. So when we get here integers here, see here 2 is there, here 8 is there. So in this combination, so 8 is the LCM of that one. Okay, so what we get here, so we have to take here multiples of 8, so r by 8 we take here. Why? Because when we are taking multiples of 8, satisfying both conditions here. Okay, ఈ రెండింటిని సాటిస్ఫై చేసే వాల్యూస్ మాత్రమే తీసుకోవాలి. ఓకేనా, అంటే r/2ని మరియు r/8ని. ఓకేనా, సపోజ్ r ఈక్వల్స్ టు 2 తీసుకోనుకోండి, 2 సాటిస్ఫై చేస్తుంది కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ 2/8 అవుతుంది కాబట్టి 1/4 అవుతుంది. దట్ ఈస్ నాట్ ఇంటీజర్. క్లియర్, ఇంటీజర్స్ రావాలి అంటే ఈ రెండింటిని సాటిస్ఫై చేసే వాల్యూస్ని మాత్రమే తీసుకోవాలి. అలా తీసుకోవాలంటే మనం ఏం చేస్తాం, 8 యొక్క మల్టిపుల్స్ ఏవైతున్నాయో కంప్లీట్గా 2 కూడా సాటిస్ఫై చేస్తుంది, 2తో కూడా డివిజిబుల్ అవుతుంది. కాబట్టి మనం 8 మల్టిపుల్స్ని తీసుకుంటాం. ఓకే, సో వీ హ్యావ్ టు టేక్ కేర్ ఫర్ ఆల్ z. ఓకే, ఇంటీజర్స్. సో r values we take care, r values are 0 satisfying. Okay, 8 also, 16 also, 8 to the 16. Clear. So up to so on, 8 3s are 24, up to so on. So 8 256 we take here. Why? Because this is also satisfying the value. Clear. So that value is nothing but here 0 less than or equals to or less than or equals to 256 r value. In between 0 to 256 also exists here. Clear. So we have to take care maximum value this one, minimum value this one. So minimum value this one and maximum this one. Satisfy చేస్తున్న చేయాలి చూసుకోవాలి. So maybe equal or not equal, take anyone. Okay, 0 to 256. In between 0 to 256 may be equal or not equal also. Clear. So see here, 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24, 8 3s are 24, remaining one is there, 8 2s are 16. Okay, so how many terms are there? 1 2 3 up to so on 32 terms are there. Clear. And remaining 1 0 also there. So 32 plus 1, that is nothing but 33 terms are exist here. These are integers. So remaining means here in 257 terms maybe rational terms also exist here, irrational terms also exist here, integers also exist here. So how many they are integers here? They are nothing but 33 terms are integers. So third option is the right answer. Okay, next one is nothing but the number of rational terms in the expansion of 4th root of 5 plus 5th root of 4 whole power of 100 is how much? First option is nothing but 95, second one is 101, third one is 50, fourth one is 6. Okay, so I will take here given expansion 4th root 5 plus 5th root 4 whole power of 100 is there. So number of terms of this expansion is nothing but total number of our terms 101, whole power of 100 is there. So n equals to 100. Here this is binomial expansion, that's why n plus 1 terms are exist here. Okay, so here x equals to 4th root 5, a equals to 5th root 4 and n equals to 100. Okay, now the general term we get here, general term of x plus a whole power of n is again tr plus 1 equals to ncr x power of n minus r a power of r. So this is the general term. Okay, now we find out here general term tr plus 1 equals to 100 cr x. What is x here? 4th root 5 whole power of 100 minus r and 5th root 4 whole power of r. So 100 cr here 4th root of 5 can it also 5 power of 1 by 4 and power also there, that is nothing but 5 power of 100 minus r divided by 4 we get here. Same here also 4 power of 1 by 5 and already power is there, r by 5 we get here, r by 5. So observe this one here, here 4 is there, here 5 is there, 4 and 5. So LCM of 4 and 5 is nothing but 20. So we take here they are satisfying multiples of 20 is nothing but both are satisfying 4 and 5 also. So that's why our values in between, see here our values are in between 0 to 100 only, 0 to 100. Okay, so we have to take care satisfying this condition, that is nothing but r equals to 0. Clear, 0 satisfying. So 20 Why? Because LCM of 4 comma 5, 4 and 5, LCM of 4 comma 5, that is nothing but 4 into 5, 20. Okay, so 20, multiples of 20 we write here, 20 into 0, 0, 20 into 1, 20, 22 is 40, 23 is 60, 80, 100. Enough. Why? Because 0 to 100 only we take here. These are the multiples of 20. So how many they are? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 values are there. The number of terms of R values. So here we are taking these values, so we get here rational terms. Okay. So the number of rational terms are 6. Okay, number of rational terms are 6. Clear, right? Next, so option is nothing but fourth option is the right answer. Okay, number of rational terms is nothing but 6. So we got here, that is nothing but fourth option is the right answer. For suppose we find out here irrational terms. How to take irrational terms here? So see here, total number of terms 101, total number of terms. Rational terms, these are 6. So remaining all are irrational terms here. Clear? So remaining all are irrational terms means here irrational terms of given expansion is 101 minus 6, that is nothing but 95. Suppose we find out the irrational terms of given expansion, then first option is the right answer. Then here rational numbers are find out here, so that's why 6 are the irrational numbers. Okay. Now next the question, the number of irrational terms in the expansion of 5th root 3 plus 3rd root cube root 7 whole power of 36 is how much? Options are given here 37, 34, 35 and 3. Okay. So see a number of irrational terms also we find out here. Same process. We have to write now there directly general term TR plus 1, that equals to NCR. What is N here? 36 is the N. 36 CR X. What is X here? 5th root 3 whole power of 36 minus R and cube root 7 whole power of R. So we write here 36 CR 3 power of 36 minus R by 5 we get here. Here 7 power of R by 3 we get here. Okay. Now we find out the suppose rational numbers. Suppose rational numbers, what we take here? LCM of 5 comma 3, that is nothing but 15 is the LCM. Okay. So R values in between 0 to 36. 0 to 36. Clear? So we have to take here multiples of 15, that is nothing but R equals to, we have to write now 0. Okay, 0 also multiple of 15. Next 15. 15 to the 30. Okay. 15 3 is 45. But see here only 36 up to 36 values are exist only. Only we take here these 3 are rational factors. Clear? Rational factors. So R values, the rational number, the rational terms of given expansion is equals to 3. So fourth option is not right answer. Why? Because you are finding irrational terms, not rational terms. Okay, ఇలా కూడా ఇస్తారు ఆప్షన్స్ లోపల, కన్ఫ్యూజ్ చేయడానికి. డైరెక్ట్ 3 వచ్చింది, ఓకే డైరెక్ట్ 3 అని టిక్ చేస్తారు. కాకపోతే ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాల్సింది ఏంటిది? ఇర్రేషనల్ టర్మ్స్. నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ ఇర్రేషనల్ టర్మ్స్ ఆఫ్ గివెన్ ఎక్స్పాన్షన్ ఈజ్ what right now? Total number of terms, how many they are? Not 36, 37 terms are exist here. So 37, and rational terms are deleting from 37. Then we get here irrational terms of given expansion. Okay, so 37 minus 3 is nothing but 34 terms are exist here. So 34 is the right answer. Okay, so